Hi, I'm Jaden.
And I'm Sean.
And we're with JSJ Incorporated. And we're going to teach you how to make your fortune cookies lucky. So we have 3 demonstration fortune cookies. And so the first one, we're going to show you how your fortune will not come true no matter what. And then the second one is your fortune, there's 25% chance that it will. And then the third one, this is automatically going to come true no matter what. Okay, so this first one is, so you have to get out your fortune cookie, break it open, read your fortune. So you are never selfish with your advice or your help, okay? So, and then,
How does it taste? No, warning, there's some pretty weird fortune cookies out there, so don't spit it out. You'll still be lucky.
1 second.
Gotta chew the entire thing. Also with this, you have to chew and swallow the entire thing before you read the paper.
Okay, so this one,
And swish your mouth out with water. You don't want any of it left in your mouth before you read the paper.
this one is not going to come true no matter what because I read the fortune before I ate it. And this second one, okay, I don't look at the paper at all. I pull it out, eat the fortune cookie.
They smell so weird.
Okay, now I gotta go swish my mouth out with water here. Sean, don't record that. Okay, now I read my fortune. Okay, so practice is the key to joy. So these ones are basically like advice ones, but so there's a 25% chance that I will practice and have a key to joy. But most of them are like fortunes. Okay, and this last one Sean's gonna do. So Sean, here, bring up. I just lost the game.
I'll toss the game.
Okay, and then he just, this one will come true no matter what. We have no idea what it says, and Sean, demonstrate. You just eat the entire thing. So his fortune is going to come true. There's still paper inside. No, his fortune is going to come true. So if you do this, and you want your fortune to come true, then do it. So he's going to have good fortune. Thanks for watching, JSJ Incorporated.